This is Pioneer's AVH-601EX. This is an in-dash AM/FM CD and DVD player with a 7-inch fully motorized touchscreen. The AVH-601EX has built-in HD radio and is Sirius XM ready. The system has a full on-screen interface for both Spotify and Pandora, operating from your Android phone or from your iPhone. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio, and a wireless remote control is included. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right. The first thing we have here is the wire harness. Now we use the wire harness to connect power, ground, and speakers and so forth, and plug this from the vehicle when we plug this into the back of the in-dash receiver. The next thing we have here is the Bluetooth microphone. Now the Bluetooth microphone here is used for making hands-free phone calls. It comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Next up we have some installation screws. Some install screws. Then we have the wireless remote control. Wireless remote included in the box. And then we have the USB extension. Now the USB port is on the back of this in-dash receiver, so we included this USB extension so you can bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next we have the warranty card. There's the warranty card, and then we have the quick start guide. Please remember you can download a full copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right to your phone. All right, let's pull the head unit up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the AVH-601EX has the volume control right here. And the home key and display keys are here. The voice activation is here. The disk eject button and screen angle adjustment are here. And the system reset button is here. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with a 7-inch motorized touchscreen. The back panel of the AVH-601EX has two black jacks at the top. The one on the left is for the Bluetooth microphone included with the product, and the one on the right is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. Here is where you'll plug in the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. And this is the dedicated port for the optional iDataLink Maestro RR OEM integration unit. Here is the USB port, and please remember that we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment. This is the audio and video auxiliary input, and the wire harness from the vehicle will plug in right here. On the other side, we have 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and sub output, or for better sound quality and system control, high, mid, and low output. The yellow port up here is for adding on the optional AVIC U280 navigation system from Pioneer. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. Here we have audio and video RCA input and video output. And finally, the AM/FM and HD radio antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-601EX and what's in the box.